Good evening and welcome to 200forexpress.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 19th of March 2018. Okay guys, we have 8x8 signals today and I'm going to start the today's discussion right from Euro USD. So this is the report that I have sent to the subscribers for 19th of March 2018. With a bullish expectation on Euro USD, 122,657 was the entry from my side, and guys, you can see a very clear bullish trend right from 122,657, and it has even hit the targeted price 123,042. So after the downward trend today, I was expecting upward momentum on Euro USD, and hopefully traders should be in very good profits because today there is no doubt about taking any losses because everything has went perfect as per the signals report. Now let's talk about the second signal, which is USDJPY. I have supplied the bullish signal 105753 was the entry. The level is already drawn on my chart. A slight U-turn was taken on USDJPY today, and after all, it went towards the targeted price 106143. So overall, this signal has heavily satisfied, and those subscribers who have taken a buy position on USDJPY today, they must be in a very good profits. Okay, a massive trade must be caught by you people on Great Britain Pound JPY. It was quite interesting because I have supplied a clear bullish signal today right in the morning. 147224 was the entry, and I was expecting the market to reach out to 147754, but the trend was quite strong and it has went so much up. So guys, right now there is no need to buy this pair anymore because right now you can see that it has went into the bought levels, and now market is getting a rejection. Even there is no need to sell. Just wait for my next signal for tomorrow. So if you have catch the signal as per the signals report, then it should be in very good profit because it was a 3 hours time to catch a profit, and we have a very strong bullish trend on Great Britain Pound JPY today. Okay, let's talk about AUDUSD. Today AUDUSD has kept itself in a range. It has gone nowhere. However, it breaks the entry 076959. I have a bullish position on AUDUSD today. I am expecting a recovery, and you can see the recovery is slightly at this end. The market is just leaning on the entry level. However, scalping was done, and this is the result for the scalping. But however, guys, if it continues the bullish trend, then 0776111 could be the next target. But overall, it looks like that this pair is getting very weak. It's nowhere. I mean, it's in the range. We cannot explain this as per the analysis. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of my signals report. In New Zealand USD, we have a drop yesterday. Today I have turned into bullish. 071946 was the entry, and right from the entry, guys, you can see a clear bullish trend on New Zealand USD, and those subscribers who have taken the trades on this pair, they should be in very good profits as per the signals report. Now let's talk about the sell position on USD Canadian dollar, and guys, you people must know that when I have sent the signals report today, so I have sent the caution that some pairs have reached to the overbought levels where it is not good to buy them. So I have supplied a sell signal in case of USD Canadian dollar. Let me show you the signal. And bearish, I have talked about this thing. If it breaks the entry, if it takes a U-turn, or if it just responds from the entry. So basically it went down 131247, and just right from the entry the market started to go bearish, and it has hit the targeted price 130482. So guys, we are already done up with our signal. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions as per the signals report request in the morning, they should be in very good profits. Right now, after touching the boundary, it's going up, but we do not care about this because we were interested in selling the pair. Because if you go to the 4-hour chart, still you can find that the picture is very high. The pair has moved to the very high prices. We do not have any interest in buying the pair. Okay, now let's talk about USDCHF. I have supplied a very simple trade on USDCHF in the morning. A bearish trend 095398. This is called a U-turn with a bearish expectation from my side, and you can see the pair has went down, and it has even went down near to the targeted price. So overall, guys, if you have taken the profits up to here, then guys, you need to exit because you know that most of the signals are already caught, so there is no need to greed more. So overall, a very good satisfied signal on USDCHF with a bearish expectation. At last, a heavy trade on Great Britain Pound USD. Hopefully, I'm sure that those subscribers who are the part of 200 Forex Clips community, they must have caught a bullish rally today because it was already predicted in the morning. 139200 was the entry, and guys, you can clearly see right from the entry the market made a bullish pattern, and it has break the barrier 139438. The level is already disturbed on my chart. However, the level was 139 something like this, 139 and 438, but it is already a break from that level. So guys, today you know that the pound was strong and I have supplied the both bullish signals from my side. So overall this chart was disturbed at my end, but however the rest of the trades, these are the 8 trades as per the signals report. So 8 by 8 result for the today. So those subscribers who have made profits today, I have just received one email from a guy who has just sent me an email that he has made a profit. All good signals, thanks, and this email is received at 6:29 p.m. today. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that you can see in at the back of my at the chart of my MT4 terminal, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Guys, also please must read our Facebook page. Just find 200 Forex Pips on Facebook and you will be able to find the reviews of the customers who have posted their reviews to me through email, and I definitely share them on Facebook page. So search 200forexpips.com of 200 Forex Pips on Facebook and you will be able to find the reviews of customers. Moreover guys, like my YouTube channel, share these analysis with other traders, and for any inquiries please use this email info@200forexpips.com and subscribe to 200 Forex Pips. Thank you for watching the video.